Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the class 3. Hope you all are fine. In class, today we are going to start the lesson number 2, land and water. Right? Land and water. And look at the picture. Our earth is the only planet which has life. Looking at the global, it can be seen that the surface of the earth is made up of land and water. And do you know what is land? A very big part of land is called continent, and there are 7 continents in the world. So class, we can make question here. How many continents in the world? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. And now repeat it again. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica and Australia. So class, all of the 7 continents are surrounded by water, and Asia is the largest and Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. So we can make question here. What is the largest continent? The answer is Asia is the largest. And what is the smallest continent? And Australia is the smallest continent on the earth, and Pakistan is located in Asia. Okay, right? Now, do you know what is water? Water is very important for all living things on the surface of the earth, and almost 70 of the earth's surface is made up of water in the form of ocean and sea. So the 5 large oceans are: number 1, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So class, now we can make question here. How many large ocean do we have? So there are 5 large ocean. We have Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So you have to learn these names, right? So student, the Pacific Ocean is the largest of the world 5 ocean. And Pacific Ocean the largest and deepest, right? ये बहुत जो है deep यानी गहरा है. Atlantic Ocean about half the size of the Pacific Ocean, ये उसका आधा हिस्सा है Pacific Ocean का. Indian Ocean slightly smaller than the Atlantic, and Arctic Ocean about 7% the size of the Pacific, right? And now I will tell you about landform. What is landform? Different shape of the surface of land are called landform. The land has plain, mountain, forest, valley, rivers, desert, island, seas, ocean, etc. Right? Landform. Look at here. What are landform? Landform are the natural shape or features called landform. There are many different type of landform found on the earth, right? We have many different type of earth, of landform, right? So we have number 1, plain. A plain is a flat area on earth's surface, right? And second one is hills, higher than the land. ठीक है, ये land से थोड़ा सा higher होता है, इसको hills कहते हैं. And after that we have mountain. A mountain is a place on earth's surface that is much higher than the land around it. ठीक है, ये hill से ज़्यादा जो है वो higher होता है, mountain. And after that forest, large area of trees, जहाँ पे large area में trees मौजूद होते हैं उसको forest कहते हैं. And after that desert. A desert is a hot dry place with little or no rainfall. ठीक है, desert जो है वो बिल्कुल ही dry होता है, वहाँ पे जो है पानी नहीं होता और बिल्कुल ही ड्राई खुश्क सी जगह होती है, रेत वाली. ठीक है, उसको डेजर्ट कहते हैं. And now after that plateau. A plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. And after that stream, thin narrow body of water. ठीक है, जहाँ पे बहुत ही एक लाइन सी पानी की होती है. ये आपको अक्सर जो है वो विलेज में नज़र आएगा कि ट्रीज़ होते हैं, बड़ी तादाद में और बीच में एक छोटी सी पानी की एक लाइन सी जा रही होती है. सो थिन नैरो बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. एंड आफ्टर दैट रिवर, लॉन्ग फ्लोइंग बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट सी, लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. सी में तो बहुत बड़े लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर. और नाउ लास्ट वन इज़ ओशन. ओशन आर द लार्जेस्ट बॉडी ऑफ वाटर ऑन अर्थ. ठीक है. सी जो है लार्ज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर एंड ओशन जो है द लार्जेस्ट. इन दोनों में थोड़ा सा ही डिफरेंस होता है. यानी सी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी होता है लेकिन ओशन में उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, लार्जेस्ट. In class, about 97% of Earth's water in the ocean, but it is salty and cannot be used for drinking and growing crops. ठीक है. क्योंकि ओशंस का जो वाटर होता है वो सॉल्टी होता है, इसलिए हम उसे पीने में और क्रॉप्स वगैरह को ग्रो करने में यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. राइट. सो दिस इज़ आवर टुडेज़ टॉपिक. सो you have to listen carefully and any question you can ask in the class. Right. Okay class. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.